Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland. It's the holiday season and one of my favorite things to do is bake. November 29th also happens to be National Lemon Cream Pie Day. So today I'm going to show you the recipe that my family uses to make lemon sour cream pie. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that by the end of it, I will have used 4 dairy products: butter, milk, sour cream, and whipping cream. And it is delicious. So I'm really excited to show you guys this, and let's get started. My lemon sour cream pie is completely chilled in the refrigerator, and now I'm going to make some whipped cream to top it all off. Alright, my pie is finished. Let's see how it tastes. And that's how you make my family's favorite lemon sour cream pie recipe. Perfect for National Lemon Cream Pie Day. You can find this recipe at aliceinDairyland.com. I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to include Wisconsin dairy in your holiday celebrations at home.
Do I get to have a bite?